Welcome to Walla Walla, the perfect place to find your peace of mind, far from bumper-to-bumper traffic, noise, and big city hustle and bustle.
Hi, I'm Dick Nair. What a beautiful campus this Walla High is. I had the opportunity to move here in January of 1964 as a teacher and a coach and actually begin this beautiful place. Thank you for sharing a few minutes to learn more about the upcoming replacement bond proposal election. If approved, the $65.6 million no tax rate increase proposal would renovate Walla Walla High School, Pioneer Middle School, and Lincoln High School. It would also complete several school infrastructure projects at other district schools, including safety and security improvements, roofing, and heating and cooling upgrades. It also captures nearly $53 million from Olympia in the form of state match dollars, which will only be used on these voter-approved projects.
There was total transparency in the way the projects were selected, and that transparency will continue into construction. An independent Citizens Oversight Committee will get together 4 times a year to review every bond dollar spent and make sure it's only on the projects approved by voters.
Accountability and transparency are more important than ever before in today's world. The district's new school board conducted a 4-month listening and engagement process. This public input is reflected in the November 6th bond proposal. With a list of facility improvement needs far exceeding the reality of funding these improvements, the need for a conservative long-range facilities improvement plan was critical. An 18-member task force consisting of business leaders, construction experts, and other professionals spent nearly 2 years developing this ballot proposal.
It was a good, thorough, comprehensive study, a very diverse group of people. We had 18 people on the committee, almost 2 years worth of study, a fresh new approach, and we had a wide variety of different studies. At the end of the day, though, we decided to come back to a renovation and remodeling instead of building new.
And I know that we have great pride in our schools. Every one of those schools deserves to have facilities that support high levels of student learning. So as we have the opportunity to make improvements at Walla High, Pioneer, Lincoln, and even certain upgrades at multiple sites throughout, but primarily at those 3 main campuses, that provides a level playing field for all students in our district.
I went to school here in 1977. I was in 7th grade, and the locker rooms, the old 7th grade boys bathroom, which is a 6th grade bathroom now, is exactly the same. It hasn't changed. It's for the community. It's not just for the students. We have AAU tournaments here. We have indoor soccer league at night, and there's quite a few activities that take place, so the community will benefit from it as well.
For teaching staff, this bond is going to help with so many things. We would get our own black box theater. We've done 7 or 8 plays in a row, full-length plays. Every year we have to rent out a theater. It would be so amazing to be able to have our own black box theater.
I get to see kids that come here with a passion just to do well. And our campus and our community allow kids to excel in so many different areas. We have an opportunity now to make it even better.
School safety is on everyone's mind in light of the tragedies we have witnessed in recent years. Safety and security recommendations from local law enforcement leaders are incorporated in this measure.
We worked really hard to put together some ideas for this proposal that are all incorporated in the proposal to make the schools safer.
Having the school district come to our commission is just what we like. And I think it's so great that the school district can get the whole community involved in these decisions.
The district is bond debt-free in December, which allows the district to keep our bond rates the same with this proposal.
Our committee, made up of community members who are paying property taxes, talked about assessed values going up, and one of the things we talked about is we don't want to tack on more taxes to our community.
This bond preserves Walla Walla's investment in its existing schools. It makes necessary repairs and it replaces old, worn-out systems. Safety and security upgrades will take place across the entire district, including more security cameras, access controls, all the things we need to do to keep kids and teachers safe. And we're doing all of this without a tax increase.
On November 6th, the patrons of the Walla Walla community will be asked to vote on this bond issue. If you need additional information, please contact any of the schools where packets are available. Superintendent Smith would be more than willing to talk to any of the various groups to give you information on this issue. Please vote on November 6th.